Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Moneyfarm Robo Advisor Review My UK. Moneyfarm Robo Advisor is an online investment service that primarily targets UK investors looking for a simple and affordable way to manage their investments. It uses algorithms to create and manage diversified investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Key features include automatic rebalancing, fractional share investing, and access to financial advisors. Their website provides details on their different portfolio options and pricing tiers. They emphasize ease of use, particularly for beginners, and transparent pricing with no hidden fees. They compare themselves favorably to traditional financial advisors, highlighting their lower fees and accessibility. They use advanced algorithms and technology to optimize investment strategies. You can easily check availability and get started directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Moneyfarm Robo Advisor. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I signed up on their website, answered a few questions about my financial goals and risk tolerance, and my portfolio was created within minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and track my investments. I especially appreciated the clear performance charts and the ability to easily adjust my risk profile if needed. The platform is fast and reliable. I never experienced any lag or technical issues. I had a quick question about dividend reinvestment and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful and concise answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, displaying all the key information clearly. The standout feature for me was definitely the automatic rebalancing, which took the hassle out of managing my portfolio. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, although the website is mobile-friendly. It took me a little while to get used to the slightly complex terminology used in some of the reports, but overall it was easy enough to understand. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Moneyfarm Robo Advisor. It offers a user-friendly and affordable way to invest, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced investors. That's my overview of Moneyfarm Robo Advisor Review My UK. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.